guys, you're welcome to my kitchen. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. I bought this kitchen gadget or equipment or tools or whatever you call it, and I want to give an honest review about them. So you are going to try and see how these two things work perfectly. It's called salad spinner, and this one is for slicing and chopping vegetables. So you are going to work on them. Okay, so first work with the salad spinner, and we are going to use lettuce for it. The salad spinner comes with a lid like this. It comes in different types, but this type comes with the lid this way. This is what you use to rotate or to spin the salad. Okay, it has a basket in it, and the basket has a small hole that is able to lock this. The handle has this on it. It prevents the bowl from falling when you are spinning the salad. Okay, and so the first thing you do, this salad spinner can be used to wash vegetables as well. So you place the baskets in it, and then we are going to add vegetables to it. That is our lettuce. We are going to add water to it. So I have water in there. All that you have to do is to cover it this way. All that you do is you hold the lid this way, and then you spin it. This is to wash the vegetables, so it will wash it very well. Any dirt in it is going to take it out. So after take the basket out, and the water, everything is in. So we're going to pour this water out. Okay, so you place this in. Again, this time around, we are going to try to get the vegetables dry, any excess water from it. So you hold it in place again. Okay, so you can see the water, the excess water splits in the. Okay, so our vegetable, our lettuce, very dry, very dry. So you can use it for cabbage, any other veggies. So this is the excess water in the bowl. This is the excess water. So I've poured the excess water away. If you still think there is more water in it, you can spin it again to see if you get. Okay, let's see. So it's dry, very, very dry, no excess water. So this is how the salad spinner works. You can get one. I got this from Melcom, and I know there are other people also selling it, so you can get some. For me, it's good. It's very good, and cleaning it is not difficult at all. It's not stressful, since you can take the basket out this way, the lady. All that you need is your soap, wash it and dry it, and that is all, and you can keep it as a safe place. So this is for the salad spinner. Okay, let's see how this also works. So this is the lid of it, and it comes with this. This is for onions. So this is how it is. You pull it back, and the pin comes out. Okay, it comes with this for peeling. Okay, it also comes with these 4 slices, or yes, slices. I don't know the name to call it. So this is it. Okay, I've not used it, so I'm going to use to see. My first time, I'm going to use to see how it works, and we are all going to do this together. Okay, and then it comes with it has a handle this way where you can hold it this way, so this can be used to wash vegetables. Okay, so we are going to try it. So we are going to work on these vegetables. I have cucumber, onion, and then carrot you are going to use. So we'll put them in and then wash it. I have it in the sink and I'm going to wash it. Pour the water just this way, and the water will come out. Okay, so we are first going to slice. We'll place this on top. We are going to try this one first. We are going to use it to slice cucumber and see how it will work. Okay, take my cucumber and just cut the upper part off. Okay, so let's see how it goes. If you get it the way we want, it is not position itself in one place. While I was slicing, it was trying to move back, which isn't comfortable for me. Okay, I've sliced more than half of the cucumber, so let's check how far. So this is it. I think this is beautiful. It's not bad at all. This is beautiful. My only concern is if you don't want your cucumber this flat. You see, it's very flat, very small. So if you don't want your cucumber that flat and you want it a bit heavy, you cannot use this because this is going to make it very flat. But it's not bad. To change the direction of the lid and see if it will keep in place. Okay, then I'll have this way. So this is what we are going to use for our onions. Okay, so I'll pick my onion, then place it in, push it. Okay, let's see how it will work. Okay, so this is it. We have taken half of the onion, and then let me see where it is now. At this point we cannot slice it again. Maybe we would have to turn the onion this way and then come here, push it in this way, slice it and see if it will work. So I was gotten to it. It's not able to slice again. So this is its limit. So it means you cannot use it to slice full onion, or probably I'm not knowing how to use it well, but this is it. Okay, so let's check what we have in so far. Okay, also very tiny. It's beautiful. So it means this then slice things tiny into tiny pieces. And I like the shape. Very nice. So you can see this half cucumber to see how it is going to peel it very well. Okay. Okay, so this is it. Did a very nice job. Peeled it beautifully. Okay, so I changed the carrot to these 3 pieces, so we are going to grate them and see. Okay, let's see what we have. This is it. Very beautiful. Okay, we are going to change it. We are going to fix this one. see. Okay, this is a bit bigger than the first one. I'm changing it to the other direction and see how it will work for me. Okay, so I think this direction is better. This one is able to stay at one place. Okay, let's check what we have inside. Very tiny. I'm using this one also to slice the carrot and see the result we'll get. Okay, let's see what we have. So this is what I have in. Okay, so I'm going to use this one to grate some cucumber and see the results we'll get. You can also use it to grate carrots. So let's see what we are going to get. So this is very smooth. So this, you can use it to grate ginger, garlic, and carrot, or anything you want to grate. So this is it. Personally, I think this would be good for salad making, because if you decide to use this to slice your vegetables for your sauce, they'll be too tiny for sauce, unless you want your sauce, the vegetables, to be that tiny. If not, this is, for me, it's okay making salad. Okay guys, so this is it. So this is the results you get. For me, I'm okay with it, especially when it's for salad making. I think I'm okay with it. I'll leave a contact of the person selling this. The price is cool, so you can contact her wherever you are in Ghana. She'll get you one. I got this from Melcom, and so you can also check Melcom for it. Thanks so much for watching. If you're also using any of this, let me know your view about it. But for me, I think it's so okay. I'm happy with them. Thanks so much. Bye bye.